Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot Forex. So let's go straight to our daily analysis. It's Tuesday. I hope everyone is doing great. Please, guys, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So without wasting your time, you can see here if you want to be part of the team. If you want to be part of the team, you can see the packages there. You can just check also on my description. You will find my WhatsApp link. You can just click that. It will take you straight to my WhatsApp. So without wasting enough time, I think, yeah, we're not really that late. But today, later on, we're also going to go on our live session, but on Trader Nick's channel, because on Friday we actually did not have enough time. So we're just going to continue with that. So yeah, let's see we are on Euro USD. What's really happening? This is 4 hours time frame, by the way. You can easily see that yes, the market is doing what? The market is pushing to the upside. The market is on a very nice bullish momentum, and again the market actually is repeating the same thing. Remember, here it was a nice bullish move. Even here is another bullish move, which is very aggressive. If we go closer there, you will see that the market is still actually willing to push to the upside. Where we are now, you can see that the market was consolidating very nice, very nice, consolidating very this one, it was consolidating very nice. Now we see a breakout. That's why we also have a buy pending order there. If the market wants to keep to the upside, then our order will be ready there. Why? Because the market is uptrending. We still expect the market to push to the upside. That's what we see there. And it's simple because we just follow the trends. We can see when the market broke out. That's why we follow that. You see, it's quite straightforward. So what do we see here? We are on USDJPY. On a 4 hours time frame, you can see that yes, the market has been actually going down for quite some time. The market has been also respecting our resistance area. If I go closer there, you can see that where we are now, the market just touched actually our resistance, our very strong resistance. You can see here the market actually touched that area. So we're expecting the market to push that. We're expecting the market to push a little bit lower, and we've been continuing with that for quite some time. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To touch our sell stop there. Let me try to zoom that a little bit so that you can see. For the market to touch our sell stop, it's much better to just wait for a sell stop to trigger, because sometimes you just jump on the market and you see that you have to have a small space actually between where the market is bouncing back and your entry. That mostly when the market reaches this area, mostly the market is telling you that, you know what, I'm going in that direction. So we just have to follow that. That's why our sell stop is bit lower, not that far, but at least bit lower. So yeah, I'm expecting the market to keep selling as the market is actually unable to break that resistance. So let's push to the next one. I'm trying to be as quick as possible because I just want you to get the information while they are still very fresh, while the information is still very fresh. So, and another thing, guys, please don't forget to smash the subscribe button. Smash it. So we now on gold XAU. What's really happening? XAU is on a very nice bullish momentum, and I like the fact that the market was respecting our support area, and now the market is aggressively now pushing to the upside. When I check there, you can now see that okay, the market still continues with that, and I already sent actually a buy pending order there. You can see that the market is still climbing. The market is still climbing, so I'm expecting the market to do what? To keep climbing there. So what I can do, maybe I can say let's remove this, because we need to keep our chart very clean. We already passed that stage, so make sure that your chart is not actually that messy. So things they're supposed to look clean. So now what I see here is we had a very nice resistance. Now if the market breaks that, remember this is 4 hours time frame. I did this on 15 minutes just to see the space. So once the market breaks out, actually the market already broke out, so I'm expecting the market to do what? To touch our buy pending order and go in further. So I'm still bullish actually on gold. So this, it's supposed to be like this. So I'm expecting the market to do what? To give us a very nice bullish momentum. Things are getting back to normal, guys. The market is trying to recover slowly, even though we see that sometimes things they still consolidate, but I think it's much better when we see some small recoveries. So now we are actually on US oil. What's really happening on US oil? I think the market wants to go back on that sell again. So what we see is, yes, indeed, the market is still on the sell momentum. We have a very nice resistance there, but we also have another resistance around this area. It seems like the market will just repeat the same thing that we saw here, and even here. Maybe that will also happen here. It seems like the market is respecting that area. So let's try to go closer there and see if maybe the market will be repeating the same thing. So yeah, I think I see something there. I think we can have a very nice entry there. But remember, you should do this on a bit smaller time frame. I think the market will respect this area then to push the lower side. That is possible. And another thing is, yes, the market is actually on a nice bearish momentum. That's why we think the market will continue with that momentum, because it's been like that for quite some time now. So now we are on US30. I think this video is going to be very short, but it's fine. It's for everyone just to get the update. So now on US30, yes, we also get the same moves. The market is been pushing lower. Where we are now, the market is still playing games with us. Yesterday, we saw the market trying to recover, which was great, by the way, especially on NASDAQ. So what I see here is we had a nice resistance somewhere there. We had a very nice area there. The market broke out there. I thought the market was going to go down. I also sent a sell pending order. I think that was not even triggered. So now the market is going towards our strongest resistance. So will the market break this? There is that possibility, because on NASDAQ that is already broken. On NASDAQ, the market broke that, and yes, we did smash that. And now I think maybe the market slowly is trying to recover. And if maybe we're going to get those bullish moves, just know that we're ready. We are ready for those bullish, NASDAQ bullish moves that sometimes they take this 6 months straight pushing up. Yes, along the way, there must be some small rejections, but that might be a very nice thing. I hope you see that. I'm just hoping that we're gonna get that, because that was actually when NASDAQ, or when the stock market is on a bullish move, it gives you the simplest structures, the simplest profits. Everything becomes simple only when you know. Only when you know the entry strategies, only when you know the trends lines, all the strategies. But we do things differently. Maybe that will, maybe if you don't know, just let me know. I can teach you only for $150. But unfortunately, the teachings will be, this time will be like pre-recorded videos of everything, because I no longer have time, enough time just to go and teach people, guys. Now this year I just want to make money and just recover whatever that I want to recover. So on US30, yes, I still see the same thing. I think the market is actually doing what? Trying to push the upside. I think the best way is to go back on that structure where maybe everything's like this. So you can easily see that, yes, even though the market is on this bearish momentum, we would just want to see if the market will break this area. If it breaks, that is going to be a good thing, because you can see that the market has been trying, but the market was failing to break that area. If it breaks, maybe the market will be trying to do what? To changing the trend. And the trend, you can see the previous trend is what? Or the current trend is actually downtrend. Maybe now the market wants to change that and give us a very nice bullish momentum, and we're going to ride that. We're going to ride it if that happens. Or maybe the market will play games and start to push the lower side, but we will see, because the market will show us that. So let's push to the next one, which is NASDAQ, and which we actually smashed. So what's really happening on this? I like NASDAQ that much, very much, because mostly it gives us the most simplest structure. So what do we see here? You can easily see that the market is doing what? The market is actually on a nice downtrend, very strong downtrend. So what I see is, yes, we just supposed to follow that, and we were following that actually, but yesterday things started to change. I'm trying to zoom there so that you can see yesterday things started to change. Remember, we had a very nice downtrend. So the market approached our resistance. When the market opens yesterday, I think it was around this area, then the market decided to do what? To break that area. So just because this bullish momentum was very strong, what I was waiting for, I was just waiting for the market maybe to get out of this. Then on 1 hour, I think the candlesticks closed around those areas. Then we had a nice bullish momentum. Yes, we entered late because we wanted to be safe, but That was also enough. Remember, this is 4 hours time frame. So now the market is creating something. For those who don't know, the market is actually creating something there. Obviously, it's a structure. You can see that the market is playing games there. So let me remove this. Everyone can see that we did smash. That's why we say you should join the team. Let me show you the team. You can join the signals there. So yeah, check those. You can post. So what's happening? What happens here is the market is creating a resistance or a support or something like that, you see. So what we're going to have is we're going to have a layer there, a zone around this area, and say, okay, after the breakout, that is actually our zone. That is actually the zone that we have. So now we have these two areas. Let me remove this so that you don't get confused. This is our previous resistance because we drawn that on a bigger time frame. So what we have here is maybe the market will try to push lower, maybe to give us a retest before pushing up. So, or maybe the market might go beyond that. If the market breaks this area, this is a layer actually. If the market breaks above that, yes, we're gonna still take something. We're gonna still have something like this and say, okay, if the market moves above that area, because we see that the market created a wall there. Once the market gets out, no, we're not going to wait. We're just going to take that, because now the market is no longer under that bearish momentum, which means the market might be ready to do what? To take those bullish moves. You see, the market might be ready to take those bullish moves. So what I see is, yes, maybe there is a chance for the market to push lower a little bit. It's fine. We're going to see that. But around this area, we might also see the market bouncing back. Don't just say, oh, the market will push up. Yes, there is a chance for that. But also the market, after the breakout, mostly the market will try to retest before pushing up again. Or maybe the market will just push up, but mostly we'll see that when the market opens. So we don't really have to miss this one. I like bullish momentums, especially on NASDAQ, because mostly they are quite straightforward and it's aggressive. Mostly it's way too aggressive. So yeah, I think maybe this is enough. It's enough for today. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. If you want to be part of the team, you know what to do. Just post the video, check my contacts. You can just WhatsApp me or Telegram me. Talk to me there. I will assist you. So thank you very much. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and like. Thank you very much. This is Kenzo, Xtrahot Forex. Bye.